So let's quickly brush up the clotting factors and their names. So there are mainly 13 clotting factors. Mainly means there are actually 13 factors. So namely, the factor 1 is also called as fibrinogen. Factor 2 is prothrombin. Factor 3 is called as tissue factor or tissue thromboplastin. Factor 4 is called as calcium. Factor 5 is called as proaccelerin. There is nothing called factor 6. So the factor 7 is also called as proconvertin, also called as serum prothrombin conversion accelerator. Now factor 8 is very much important. It is also called as anti-hemophilic factor or anti-hemophilic factor A. Now factor 9 is called as Christmas factor, also called as anti-hemophilic factor B. This is another example of anti-hemophilic factor. What is this? This is factor 9. Okay, so now coming to factor 10, it is also called as Stewart prior factor or Stewart factor. Factor 11 is called as plasma thromboplastin antecedent, or this is also an anti-hemophilic factor, but it is anti-hemophilic factor C. So factor 11 is done. Now factor 12 is called as Hedgeman factor, and factor 13 is the last. It is called as fibrin stabilizing factor. So that's it. These are the 13 clotting factors in our blood or plasma.